Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 22. Three mothers and three daughters sat down to enjoy a drink. Each person had one drink and the total number of drinks was 4. Explain how this is possible. So this is another interesting problem following on from the previous one. If you want to solve it, please pause the video now and I will move on now and show you how this is solved. So you can pause the video now if you'd like to try and solve it yourself, and I think you can with a little bit of thought. At first glance, this is a tricky problem because you expect that there would be 6 people and 6 drinks. If we look at the people on the left, we can see how this is possible. Peggy is Mary's mother. So Peggy is Mary's mother. Mary is Liz's mother. So Mary is Liz's mother. Liz is Rachel's mother. So Liz is Rachel's mother. While there are 3 mothers, so the 3 mothers are Peggy, Mary, and Liz, and 3 daughters, the 3 daughters are Mary, Liz, and Rachel, there are only 4 people, and here they are. So there are only 4 drinks. Now, I'm quite sure you would have solved this if you saw the previous puzzle, and I hope you really enjoyed this one too. It just requires a little bit of thought, just like the previous puzzle.